Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we will be learning how to extract audio from a video in Canva. To extract an audio from a video is super easy in Canva. Launch open the Canva application or sign into Canva on a web browser, and once you're inside, create a new design or open up an existing one. In order to extract a video from your camera roll, tap on the plus button at the bottom and then click on Upload from the menu. Tap on Photo Library to get to your camera roll and then select a video clip from which you want to export the sound. After selecting the video clip, click on Done at the top right. Now you will be able to preview your video on the preview screen. Click on Upload at the bottom, and once you upload the video, tap on the video preview on the screen. Now, click on the little three dots at the top right above your video clip preview that you've selected. After you do that, scroll down and look for Extract Audio button. You will then be able to extract the audio from the video, and it will be displayed right underneath your video layer. You can now select your audio layer at the bottom, or you can also tap on the speaker icon and choose to mute the volume by dragging it along the left-hand area. You can also remove the sound from your video by simply selecting your audio clip and tapping on delete. And that is how you will be able to extract audio from a video in Canva in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.